Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, it's starting to rain. I think I might have to bring it inside, but check out this cool classic 52-year-old 1973 Wombat 125 Hodaka. These were very competitive with the Japanese bikes up until 74 or 75, and then the Japanese kind of took over. But this is a Japanese motorcycle made in Japan by Hodaka and imported by the Pacific Basin Trading Company, aka Pavatco. We ran the numbers. This is an original matching numbers, frame and engine from a 73. Oh, rain coming. Started pouring out, so we had to bring it inside. Figured to finish off the video here. So again, a classic 73 Wombat 125, 5-speed, 2-stroke, 28mm Mikuni carb. It's got the upswept pipe. This was in New England back in the early 70s. These were very competitive. In fact, the Wizard and I were talking about it this morning. The 125 expert class was actually won by a 74 Combat Wombat 125 in 1975. So, you know, trumping even some of the Elsinores. So properly set up, they were great race bikes. This one here is the last year of the Wombat 125, and it is original matching numbers. We ran the numbers on it. It's got the original Mikuni carb on it, original air cleaner, original exhaust. The frame rails are nice. Frame's in good condition. It's been given quite a bit of love. The frame was repainted. It has a Preston Petty fender on the back, painted red, and a red plastic fender on the front. New white front number plate. The original chrome, steel chrome tank is intact and in good condition. The chrome on the front rim is in excellent condition. The chrome in the rear rim is in good condition also. New front tire, new front fork guards, new rear tire, new chain, new tubes. Was just given a full tune-up. Carb was cleaned and rebuilt. New air filter. Spark plug was replaced. New gear oil. Polished the engine case covers, and other than that, she's pretty much all original. Has a nice Hodaka seat cover on it. I'm not sure if that's the original. That's the one that came to us with on there. So if you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. It's geared low, 5-speed transmission. Original exhaust pipe seems to be in really good condition. There's no damage on the pipe. Has original heat shield on here. No damage on the front of the pipe at all. And the frame rails are super clean. So engine case covers are nice and clean. I believe they're the original rear shocks on this thing. Let's come around this side right here. Looks like the chain came off and took a little bite out of the aluminum engine cover. It's not integral to the engine case. It's just the cover right here. Piece of it, a little chunk of it came off, but the cover is fine. Original shifter is in good shape. Pegs are in nice shape. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Thanks for watching. God bless America.